call out to Walmart today. Basically, the call was for popping noise and some people coughing in the customer service center. So when on our arrival, some people were coughing. We didn't see any popping noise or hear any popping noise. As we investigated further, we had other people that were coughing throughout the store. So at that time, we decided to evacuate the store. Presently, we ventilated the store, and right now we're leaving the scene with Walmart, and they're going to have their maintenance crew go through all their air handling systems, and also have an environmental company come out and check out the store as well. So at this point in time, it's closed until they can do that, and that's it.